the 2025 Success Blueprint Daily Tips to master your mindset, business, and life. Achieve wealth, freedom, and purpose with actionable steps, expert guidance, and inspiring stories. Financial disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for informational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered as financial, investment, or legal advice. While we strive to provide accurate and up-to-date content, you should always do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor, investment professional, or legal expert before making any decisions regarding your finances or investments. Any action you take based on the information in this video is strictly at your own risk, and we are not liable for any outcomes. Remember, your financial situation is unique, and personalized guidance is key to making informed decisions. Welcome to the 2025 Success Blueprint, your ultimate guide to mastering mindset, building your dream business, and creating the life you have always wanted. Whether you are ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind, become a millionaire, or simply make smarter choices with your time and money, this playlist has you covered. Here is what you will discover. How to develop a millionaire's mindset to conquer challenges and achieve goals. Real-world strategies for starting your own business, even while working full-time. Insider tips for saving and investing to build lasting wealth in 2025. Practical advice on time management, productivity, and balancing life's demands. Powerful examples, relatable stories, and a sprinkle of humor to keep it fun and engaging. This daily playlist is not just about inspiration, it is about action. By the end, you will have the tools, confidence, and knowledge to take charge of your future. And if you are ready for personalized help, explore my self-paced masterclasses group and one-on-one coaching services, or join our thriving online community. Remember, success does not come to those who wait, it comes to those who take action. Let's make 2025 your breakthrough year. January 17th, 2025, How to Find Your Millionaire Niche in 2025 Step-by-Step Guide to Success. Discover your passion, overcome challenges, and turn your niche into a millionaire-making business in 2025. Are you ready to unlock your millionaire potential in 2025? The secret is not working harder, it is finding your niche and owning it. In this video, we will show you exactly how to discover your unique millionaire niche, overcome the challenges that come with it, and turn your passion into profit. Here is what we will cover. What is a millionaire niche and why it matters? Common problems you will face when finding your niche and how to solve them. Real-world examples of people who turned their niches into thriving businesses. Step-by-step tips for creating, marketing, and scaling your niche. How to stay motivated and committed to your goals, packed with actionable advice, uplifting stories, and even a little humor. This video will leave you inspired and ready to start your millionaire journey. Plus, if you are looking for personalized coaching to fast-track your success, check out my program linked below. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with someone ready to find their niche in 2025. Let's build your dream life one step at a time. Imagine yourself standing in a sleek, modern studio with vibrant visuals of success stories, niches, and inspiring graphics for 2025 with upbeat music playing in the background that sets an energetic tone. Hey friends, do you dream of becoming a millionaire in 2025? Here is the secret. Millionaires do not succeed by doing everything. They find their niche and own it. But how do you figure out your millionaire niche, and how do you make it work? That is what we are diving into today. I am going to break down the exact steps to discover your niche, tackle the challenges you will face, and share real-world examples to inspire you. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. You're about to find your millionaire path. Section 1. What is a millionaire niche? A millionaire niche is your sweet spot, the unique area where your passion, skills, and market demand intersect. It is where you can create massive value and generate wealth. For example, think of Steve, a fitness trainer who realized he could help busy moms with short, high-impact workouts. That niche made him a six-figure income in just 1 year. Section 2. Not knowing where to start. The problem when people hear find your niche, they often freeze. They do not know where to start, or feel overwhelmed by the possibilities. The solution: identify your passion and skills. Start by asking yourself, what do you love doing? What are you naturally good at? For example, Emma loves baking and has a knack for creating gluten-free recipes. She turned that into a thriving online bakery, catering to people with dietary restrictions. Solution to research market demands to meet a need. Check trends, forums, and Google searches to see if people are looking for what you are offering. For example, Mike wanted to create a YouTube channel about vintage video games. A quick search revealed a growing community of retro gamers, so he jumped in and built a profitable channel. Solution 3: experiment and test. Do not overthink it, just start. Test your ideas and see what works. For example, Sarah tried offering virtual piano lessons for kids and adults. To her surprise, adults were more interested, so she focused on that niche and grew her business. Section 3: overcoming fear of competition. The problem, Neiman, people worry their niche is too crowded, thinking, why would anyone pick me when there are already so many options? The solution: focus on your unique selling point, USP. Your USP is what sets you apart. Highlight what makes you different or better. For example, John wanted to sell graphic design services. Instead of being generic, he specialized in creating logos for eco-friendly startups, making him the go-to designer in that space. Solution to narrow down your niche: go deeper instead of broader. A smaller, specific audience can often lead to bigger profits. For example, Maria did not just sell pet products. She focused on eco-friendly toys for small dog breeds. Her sales skyrocketed because she addressed a specific need. Solution 3: build relationships and trust people. Buy from those they trust. Engage with your audience, answer questions, and provide value. For example, Chris started a blog about personal finance for millennials. By answering reader questions and offering free resources, he built a loyal audience and turned it into a full-time business. Section 4: turning your niche into income. The problem: finding a niche is one thing, but making money from it, that is where many people struggle. The solution: create a product or service. Package your expertise into something people can buy: a course, ebook, consulting service, or physical product. For example, Rebecca loved helping people organize their homes. She created a downloadable guide and earned $10,000 in her first month. Solution to build a marketing plan: use social media, email marketing, and SEO to reach your audience. Show them how your product or service solves their problem. For example, N. James built a skincare brand and used Instagram to share tips and testimonials. His sales exploded thanks to relatable and helpful content. Solution 3: scale your business. Once you have found success, think about how to grow, offer premium services, partner with others, your audience. For example, Laura started with one-on-one coaching, but later launched group sessions and online courses, doubling her income in a year. Section 5: staying committed to your niche. The problem? It is easy to get distracted by shiny new ideas or lose motivation when results are not immediate. The solution: set clear goals. Write down what you want to achieve in the next 6 months, 1 year, and 5 years. Clear goals keep you focused. For example, Ethan's goal was to make $5,000 a month from his photography business within a year. He hit his target by sticking to his plan. Solution to track your progress: keep a journal or use apps to measure your growth. Small wins add up and keep you motivated. For example, Emily tracked her Etsy shop sales every week. Seeing her progress motivated her to keep improving her product listings. Solution: surround yourself with support. Join communities or hire a coach to stay inspired and accountable. For example, Mark joined a mastermind group for entrepreneurs. Their advice and encouragement helped him push through tough times. Your call to action: imagine yourself smiling confidently with upbeat music playing in the background. This can all be possible this year. Click on the link in the description below to get started. So, there you have it, the roadmap to finding your millionaire niche in 2025. Whether you are a baker, a designer, or a content creator, your unique skills and passions are the foundation of your success. Do not wait, start today. If you want personalized help to find and grow your niche, join my coaching program. I will help you map out your millionaire step by step. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with someone who is ready to turn their dreams into reality. Let's make 2025 the year you find your niche and crush your goals. You have got this.